Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Coding with Ankit. Today's topic is a spiral print of 2D array or metric. Let's get started. In a spiral print, what we will do, we will traverse the array in a spiral pattern starting from the top left corner and moving towards the center. In its traverse, what we have to do, we have to follow four different steps. First, we will move from left to right across the top row. Then we will move from top to bottom down the right column. Then we will move from right to left across the bottom row and then move the bottom to up to the left column. Time complexity of a spiral print is n square and space complexity is constant. Let's take one example. I have taken one metric of size 3 into 4. It contains number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see I'm using yellow color arrow to denote in which direction we have to move. And at the bottom I'm printing the spiral print of this matrix. So first we are traversing from left to right, so it will print 1 2 3. Then we need to go from top to down, top to bottom, so I'm printing 6 9 12. Then from right to left I'm printing 11 10. Then from bottom to top I'm printing 7 and 4. Then again we have to do process, continue the same traverse approach until you reach at the center and you don't have any element left. So after that again we will continue the same process. We will go from left to right, so only one element is there, that is 5, and from top to bottom only one element there is there, which is 8, and after that there is no element. So same way we have to traverse in case of spiral. Let's write the algorithm for this. I've taken the same matrix which contains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Then I will create a separate public static method, public static void spiral print. It will have only one argument, int metric. Inside this I will create 4 pointers for pointing to each corner of the metric. First is int top equal to 0, it is pointing to left top corner. Then int bottom equal to array dot metric dot length minus 1. Then int left equal to 0 and int right equal to metric top dot length minus 1. With the help of these 2 pointers, we will control our direction and also which all element till what column or row we have to print. That also we will control. I will create two more variables. One is direction DRI, that I am assigning to 1, and then count, total number of elements inside available inside this matrix. So that count I can get from bottom plus 1 into right plus 1. Now we will add while loop. We need to iterate until these two condition is true. First condition is top is less or equal to bottom, and left left is less or equal to right. If these two condition is true, then only we have to iterate. Inside this, every time we will check if count is greater than 0. After each print, we will reduce the count so that if there is no count value, if count is become 0, then we have to stop and don't have to print anything. So for that I'm adding this if condition, and inside that we have to check in which direction we have to move. First I have assigned dri equal to 1. That means we will first go from left to right for top row. So dri equal to 1. Then we have to go from left to right. How will go from left to right? I will assign I equal to left. If I is less or equal to right, then I plus plus. Inside this, we have to print matrix element. So in which row and which column we have to print? We know that we are now traversing in top row, so we don't have to change anything. We'll use top row element, and column will be changed based on I. After printing, after printing each element, we will be doing count minus minus. After coming out of this for loop, we have to change the direction. Now direction will be changed to top to bottom, and for that we will be using 2. And also, as we have already printed all the elements from the top, we will increment top plus plus, so it will come in second row. After this, now we have to go from top to bottom. So again we will check first if count is greater than 0 or not. Then if we have to check the direction, if direction equal to 2, then we have to write for loop from top to bottom. So int I equal to top, int is less or equal to bottom, then I plus plus. Inside this we will print CISO metric. Here row will be I because we are changing row will be I and column will be right. After that we will do count minus minus, and after for loop we have to change the direction. Now direction will be changed from right to left, and for that we'll be using 3. Once we have print for the right column, we will do right minus minus. Again, for now we will be going from right to left. For that we will check same condition, count is greater than 0. Inside this we will check the direction. If dri equal to 3, then we will check, we will add for loop which will go from right to left. That means int I equal to right, int is greater than left, I minus minus, we have to do minus minus. Inside this we will do be printing elements CISO metric. I'll be changing some format, so I'll print in same line and also adding some separator comma after printing each element. Yes, here row is basically same, row will be bottom, column we are changing based on I, and then count minus minus. After for loop we will have to change the direction will be changed to 4, and as we have printed all the elements of the bottom row, we will be doing bottom minus minus. Now we have to take care of last direction, that is bottom to top. Again we will checking same, count is greater than 0. If direction equal to, now it become 4. Inside this we will be checking iterating from bottom to top. So int I equal to bottom, I is greater or equal to top, I minus minus. Inside this we'll be printing element CISO metric. Now again we are changing the row based on I, and column will be left. After that count minus minus, and after for loop we have to change the direction. Now direction will be again changed to 1 so that we can start from again from same direction, left to right, then uh, top to bottom, like that. So we will change direction to 1, and we have, once we cover this, we will be incrementing left plus plus because we have printed all the elements of left. Let's call this method. That's all about this logic. Let's call this method spiral print. We'll be passing metric, and then we will call this method. So you can see I'm getting element 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 11, 10, 7, 4, 5, 8, which is correct. Same I printed showed earlier. That's about the spiral print. Thank you for watching my video.